What's going on, guys? All right, let's do it. Let's get into it. On the day, all right. First off, this is just a little trade recap. We had two W's, two W's today. All right. Um, let's just go back and start with our daily bias, right? So, okay. Yesterday we had this retrace, right? Overnight, we're trending back up. We're really respecting bullish here. There's a bunch of pent up liquidity up here on these fucking triple highs, right? I mean, we took out these two, but still, this one overall bias. I mean, look at this, bro. We're clearly moving up, clearly getting some displacement. We're disrespecting that bearish. All right. So what am I looking for? I'm gonna look for our key levels. All right. We did have some high resistance on this retracement leg, but we're also in this hour. We just swept out this hour intermediate low. So I was still bullish. I was bullish, but I also wanted to see some more retracement backwards, right? Okay. We had these intermediate 15-minute lows. Um, and then right here was this 5-minute, which I just knew this shit was gonna get tapped. I really was liking this 5-minute. Um, so let's just get into it. Right off open, we tap into this 5-minute or this 15-minute, I think it was, or that might have been the 30-minute. Yeah, 5-minute. So off the bat, I could have seen shorts. We had this crazy displacement into the 15-minute level, and then we had this one. Sorry, I don't know. I got a frog in my throat. This crazy. I mean, look at this wick right here. This is I took my first entry off this 30-second and this 30-second, and we had this 15-second inverse right here. I just really like that, and I and this hit, but I had my previous risk to reward a little higher, targeting this 5-minute, but ES took the low first, so I just exited right when ES took this low, and that happened to have been right there. So I just moved this around. So all right, first W, boom. I mean, kind of simple, just a little, honestly, just a simple retracement. I mean, what does market open do? It dumps, right? It generates some liquidity, it dumps. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna retrace, generate some more liquidity. So I caught that liquidity generation, I guess, back down to because I knew this level was gonna get tapped. What does it do? It does tap, boom. It taps, and then what do we get? We get a lot more freaking displacement. Look at this displacement right here. I think that this was I think I just took this 15 seconds too. I think this is just what I took. And I mean, just look at this displacement right here off the 5-minute. Both of them hit or I think, where was this? Where were we at here? I think we had an SMT too. But what happens? It just pumped up. And then right after that, I was out. I'm trying to be more aggressive, especially with my risk to rewards, just to try and get out of the eval phase. But I mean, pretty simple. You don't really have to overcomplicate it. What does market open do? It dumps. So what do we expect? A little short. We expect this level to get hit. Didn't get hit on ES. So this is just the textbook fucking short right here. And then what do we get right here? We get a tap into a key level with insane displacement. A tap into key level with displacement equals fucking enter, bro. Just enter the position. And then it prints just 1-to-1, bro. Simple as that. And in 4 minutes, that's how I'm just breaking down my little trades. So get with it.